Hey, welcome friends. Today I will show you how to get free WordPress hosting for live 2026 guide. Today I will introduce a website. That website you can use video web hosting for WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go our home browser. We have to search Pantheon site. Click on enter. After that we can see Pantheon.io web ops platform for building high impact. Just click on the link. After that we can see the Pantheon official website account icon. Now we can see don't have a Pantheon account, create free account. If you have Pantheon account, it's okay, then you can log in. If you have not Pantheon account, for this you can create free account. You have another way, just click on connect with Google. Click on it, connect with Google. Select your Google account, click on continue. Now put your first name. My first name is Rana. Country name Bangladesh. What's your role? Developer and engineer. I agree terms and condition. Click on continue. Yes, I would like to receive this marketing communication regarding Pantheon products, service and events. I can unsubscribe anytime for more information please into our policy. So click on continue. Oh, now we can get Pantheon dashboard. We can see personal workspace. We can create two websites on this plan. This is totally free plan. We can use it for practice purpose. We can use it for basic portfolio. We can use it for uh, showcase my work experience. This is for beginners tutorial. Now we will create our first website on live server. Let's click on create new website. So we can see there is a three type of website: WordPress website, Drupal website, custom. So we want to create WordPress website. For this we have to click on WordPress, then we have to type our site name. So type our site name. We can type my name. Olana is not available. You know, if we create a website, for this we require domain. Domain is a name for your website. So we have to select our domain right now. So this is not available. We can put another one more text. Now it's available. So okay. So choose your data storage. That means your data is stored to this country. We can click on United States. So now everything is okay. Just create site. Confirm your workspace. You are creating this site, the personal workspace. This choose might affect cost. Confirm. So it's takes some time to creating WordPress, creating a CMS, Drupal or WordPress. It's take time. Slowly. WordPress deployment complete. Your CMS setup finish. Start your building your own site. Right now you have to visit the WordPress site admin. Just click the link. Click on this website is hosted in a sandbox environment. Now click on continue. We can see our site language. We can put on English United States. Click on it. Now we have to type our site title. I will type my name. I have to type username. This is a strong password. We can put this password also. We have to type a Gmail. .com. Tick mark. Click on install WordPress. Wow. Now successfully installed. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Let's save the user and password. Click on save. No thanks. Click on login. Uh, we can see our user and password automatically loaded. Click on remember me. Click on login. Now we can get totally free web hosting. We can see how our website look. Click on new tab. Wow, we are successfully install our website for free on pantheonsite.io. So if you want to get more tips and tricks, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you can follow my Facebook page and like, share and comment. If you need any more r- support, just comment me, then I will reply you inshallah. Thank you.